You should know by now, my friend, we have no secrets around here. By the way, what a wonderful film. Never say never. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Maybe Oscars next year?
For sure. I mean, I think I should start kind of figuring out my date already.
Ooh, I bet you that's a long list. But speaking of, we have a date right now with Vanessa Hudgens, and that is at the top of our Celebrity GPS.
What's up, Vanessa?
Hey, Justin, what's up? You cut your hair, I cut mine too.
Twisting fingers in the club, I'm a young nigga. I got them young niggas that'll hide your body part. My pants sagging low like a young nigga. I'm pushing up the dro like a young nigga. I'm in the club 30 deep like a young nigga. I'm still in the streets like a young nigga.
¿Quién eres?
Me llamo Ali.
This one for the young niggas, for the young niggas. This one for the young niggas. Where you from, nigga? This one for the young niggas. Yeah, most my niggas raw, they don't got a job. I got a couple young niggas that'll take the charge. So I don't bring a bodyguard, I bring my entourage. Stop the track, pause, R.I.P. the camouflage. I'm about to put my yellow Rari out the car garage. I got them young niggas that'll hide your body parts. Twisting fingers in the club, I'm a young nigga. Got them old niggas saying I love that young nigga. Your whole clique buying shots, y'all some broke niggas. Pants sagging, flag hanging, I'm a young nigga. In the club strapped up with them guns, nigga. We shooting at the police just for fun, nigga. My pants sagging low like a young nigga. I'm pushing up the dro like a young nigga. I'm in the club 30 deep like a young nigga.